I work at Epic Piping. My role here is the president of Texas Fabrication. We supply pipe fabrication for oil and gas companies in the Southwest and really all across America. Our basic role is to take as much of the work out of the field and into the shop fabrication process as possible. We're in an area specifically that doesn't have a lot of industrialized base, so we depend heavily on yourself, like UTI, to get good candidates in so we can then continue their growth and education. In my opinion, someone should consider a path in welding, especially for those that aren't interested in the 9-to-5 going to college route. It is an opportunity to, again, make a good living. A lot of our welders or pipe fitters come in, and once they've experienced that, they branch out into our quality role, or they branch out again in supervision, being foreman, or go into, again, the QC, the quality control route, or they're more inspectors. I can tell you in the last 7 years, there's never been a time where we have turned away a qualified welder. Having schools like UTI is a huge benefit to us. There's not the amount of people that are in the trades as there once were. So it's a great resource to work with.